everyone, welcome back to our new video. So have you ever wondered what you might look like with a different body type or facial structure? Or maybe you want to see a more drastic transformation just for fun. So FaceApp actually has a built-in feature specifically for this. If you look at the official app features, right alongside the gender swap and age filters and all of this, you will find try-weight filters get bigger or smaller depending on your situation. So this is not just a simple sim tool that can change your waist, so it intelligently adjusts your face, neck portions or proportions as well to simulate actual weight change. It adjusts your cheeks, your jawline, and even your neck width to create a cohesive transformation. So in today's guide, I will show you where to find the waist slider, how to use it, and all of that. So first and first, we want to navigate to the weight filter. Open your photos, scroll through the bottom, basically here, carousel filters, until you see the category usually labeled fun or features. Then you can easily look for the weight filter, sometimes shown with a plus and minus sign. Just tap to select. Then you can easily adjust the weight slider. A slider will appear on the screen. Drag it to the right to simulate gaining weight. Drag it to the left to simulate losing weight. So the changes happen in real time, so you can see the transformation instantly. You can also try to compare before and after. Hold your finger down on the image. FaceApp will show you the original photo. Release your finger to see the weight adjusted version. So this compare tool is great for seeing just how much the shape of the face changes when the slider moves. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.